Chapter 1. Our Body. Our body is made up of many organs. Each of these organs perform a specific function. Organs can broadly be divided into two categories. They are external organs, internal organs. The organs that we are able to see and touch are known as external organs. For example, legs, hands, eyes, nose, ears, head, mouth, etc. The organs that we are not able to see and are inside our body are known as internal organs. For example, lungs, stomach, heart, kidneys, brain, etc. Teachers, please educate the students about the ways of keeping their body healthy by following good habits. Encourage them to do exercise and yoga to keep their internal and external organs healthy. Different organs work together to perform a common function. A group of related organs performing a common vital function is called an organ system. There are different organ systems in our body that perform many important functions for us. They help us to live and carry on our daily activities. Some important organ systems in our body are circulatory system, respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, nervous system. Let us study about these organ systems. The circulatory system. The circulatory system is responsible for transporting blood throughout the body. It consists of the heart and blood vessels known as veins, arteries, and capillaries. In the circulatory system, blood is pumped from the heart to the lungs. So they'll get oxygen and then pumped to the body's cells. The respiratory system. In order for blood to provide oxygen to the body must have a way of obtaining that oxygen. The respiratory system allows air to enter the lungs and oxygen to diffuse into the blood en route to the body's tissues. The entrance to the respiratory system can be found in the nose and the mouth, where air enters the body and then travels through the larynx and pharynx in the throat to the trachea or windpipe. The trachea or windpipe is divided into two tubes called bronchi, which enter each lung individually. Through the bronchi, the air carries oxygen to the alveoli, where oxygen moves into the blood, while carbon dioxide moves into the lungs to be exhaled. The alveoli are the smallest parts of the respiratory system. They are minute sacs of airs with thin walls, which are responsible for the exchange of oxygen or carbon dioxide into or away from the bloodstream. The digestive system. The digestive system is responsible for bringing food into the body and breaking it down into usable components. It starts in the mouth, where we ingest our food and use our saliva, teeth, and tongue to bite and mash it. The food then travels through the esophagus into the stomach, where strong acids break it down even further. During the last two stages of digestion, nutrients and water are absorbed through the small intestine and the large intestine, respectively. Any remaining waste products are stored in the rectum and eliminated through the anus. The excretory system. The urinary or excretory system is where liquid waste is eliminated as urine. The excretory system starts with the kidneys, which are important organs for cleaning the blood and balancing water in the body. In the excretory system, the liquid part of the blood or plasma enters through the kidneys, where important nutrients like sugar and some salts are reabsorbed into the body. Compounds we do not need, like urea or excess water, are sent to the bladder in the form of urine. Urine leaves the body through the urinary tract and exits the body at the urethra. The nervous system. Without a master control system that tells our bodies what to do, none of the organ systems would work. The organs in the human nervous system are made up of cells called neurons that use chemicals and electricity to send messages. This system has two main parts: the central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord, which serve as the main control centers of the body and process all incoming and outgoing messages. The peripheral nervous system includes all the nerves in your body that bring messages to the central nervous system and carry messages from the CNS to the muscles. The nervous system mainly uses electrical signals to communicate between cells, whereas the endocrine system relies upon chemicals called hormones to send long-distance messages through the body. The main organs found in the human endocrine system are located in the brain and include the hypothalamus, thalamus, and pituitary gland. They talk to other endocrine organs like the adrenal glands, testes, and ovaries to assist with other organ systems. Keywords: blood vessels, a tubular structure carrying blood through the tissues and organs. Larynx, the hollow muscular organ forming an air passage to the lungs and holding the vocal cord in humans and other mammals. Pharynx, the membrane-lined cavity behind the nose and mouth connecting them to the esophagus. Let us revise. Our body is made up of many organs. The organs that we are able to see are known as external organs. The organs that we are not able to see are known as internal organs. The circulatory system is responsible for transporting blood throughout the body. The respiratory system allows air to enter the lungs and oxygen to diffuse into the blood and route to the body tissues. The alveoli are the smallest parts of the respiratory system. The main organs of the digestive system are mouth, stomach, small and large intestines. The excretory system is where liquid waste is eliminated as urine. The nervous system has two main parts, the central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS. A. Tick right the correct